Welcome to today quiz number 2. Fluid mechanics quiz number 2. The pressure at any point in a fluid is defined as the dash per unit area. Second one, dash state that intensity of pressure for a fluid at rest is equal in all directions. Third one, pressure variation at a point in a fluid at rest is given by the dash, which states that the rate of increase of pressure in the vertically downward direction is equal to the specific weight of the fluid. dP by dz equal to W equal to rho into G. Fourth one, the pressure at any point in a dash is equal to the product of density of fluid at that point, acceleration due to gravity, and vertical height from free surface of fluid. P equal to rho into G into Z. Fifth one, dash is the pressure in which absolute vacuum pressure is taken as datum, while gauge pressure is the pressure in which the atmospheric pressure is taken as datum. P absolute equal to P atmospheric pressure plus pressure gauge. Dash is a device used for measuring pressure at a point in a fluid. Seventh one, manometers are classified as A. Dash manometers and B. Dash manometers. Eighth one, dash manometers are used for measuring pressure at a point, while dash manometers are used for measuring the difference of pressures between the 2 points in a pipe or two different pipes. Ninth one, a single column manometer or micrometer is used for measuring dash where accuracy is required. Tenth one, the pressure at a point in dash fluid is obtained by combining two equations, that is equation of state for a gas and equation given by hydrostatic law. 11th one, the pressure at a height Z is a static compressible fluid undergoing dash compression. P by rho equal to constant, where P0 equal to absolute pressure at sea level or at ground level, Z equal to height from sea or ground level, capital R equal to gas constant, T equal to absolute temperature. 12th one, the pressure and temperature at a height Z in a static compressible fluid gas undergoing dash compression. P by P power K equal to constant. First one, our answer is force. Second one, Pascal's law. Third answer is hydrostatic law. Fourth one, incompressible fluid. Fifth one, absolute pressure. Sixth one, answer is manometer. Seventh one also, answer is manometers. Eighth one, answer is differential manometers. Ninth one, answer is small pressures. 10th one is static compressible fluid. 11th one is isothermal compression. 12th one is adiabatic compression. If you got 12 out of 12 means you are a winner. Congratulations. If you got less than 12 marks means you are a runner. Try to read well.